everybody. How about a ride in Jezebel this morning? This pickup truck up here in front of me, I think I'm going to go the opposite way of him, and we're going to do a launch. Nobody's riding with me today, so why not? Beach Bum 101 on YouTube, Beach_Bum 101 on TikTok. Instagram is Beach_Bum 1450, and Snapchat is Beach Bum 1450. We do have a new channel called The Wayward Wanderer, where all trucking content is going to go. How about that, huh? Listen at that V8 motor scream. And I didn't even have it in launch control. So horns up, everybody. And sometimes it's not very pretty, but I tell you the truth, I just enjoy living it. Hope everybody is having a fantastic day. We're broadcasting and shooting this video live on the beautiful Grand Strand of South Carolina. Goodness. So, fair question. How am I going to get more subscribers here? How am I going to get more views here? Because I'm going to be honest with you, I'm getting a lot more support on TikTok than I'm getting here. I ain't quitting. I'm not going away. I will not give people the satisfaction of saying that I'm wasting my time. It only takes one to get things rolling. So those of you who have subscribed and are supporting me, thank you very much. For those who aren't, no problem whatsoever. But I will remember those who are here during the tough times. Because this thing will get big and will get over. Oh, goodness. So it's bike week here this week on the Grand Strand. Going to have a whole lot more motorcycle content coming. Probably some tonight. We're going down to Merle's Inlet. Video probably drops sometime tomorrow. Don't know exactly when yet. We'll just have to wait and see. I want to thank everybody again for your support. Those of you who have, those of you who haven't, well, a lot of people didn't believe in Walmart when they first started either, and look at them now. See, guys, I think big. I think the ultimate prize. I don't just think about, well, All I want to do is survive. All I want to do is have a little success. I want it all. And all of us together will eventually get there. I have no question in my mind. Oh my goodness. I want to thank everybody though that continues to watch, continues to support. Jeff Land, you especially. You are probably my friend, my strongest supporter, and my biggest advocate. Thank you. And we are about to cross the Intercoastal Waterway and drop into Cherry Grove. Of course, I do have a Toyota Corolla in front of me, so can't really bring the heat, but maybe a little. Hello. Indian Motorcycle Brand Ambassador. Looking toward that. I am at 57 subscribers. The goal's 200. We're not halfway through the year yet, so we've still got time there. And I've still not heard anything about Ambassador for Indian, but I'm going to put together a lot of motorcycle content and just send it to them. I'm going to make them tell me no. I am going to make them tell me no. And then when they tell me no, then I'll go find somebody that will tell me yes. I'm starting to think that this channel also might be a little bit of a guide for people that get discouraged easily, which I am one of. And I want to be the poster child for the fact that anything is possible for anybody if they just work and believe. That is my exact mentality, always has been. So all I'm doing is what I know how to do, people, and that's grind and work. I'm thinking about taking an online video editing class so I can get better at editing. I know a lot of times my editing is kind of crappy. I want to take an online editing class so I can do a better job for you. I've said since day one, I don't know everything. But what I don't know, I certainly want to learn. And once I learn it, I want to get better at it. Make any sense? All right, well, this is approaching the 10-minute mark here, everybody. So I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Those of you, probably, 5, 6 of you that will see this, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Take care. Have a wonderful Tuesday. Beach Bum 101 on YouTube and Beach_Bum 101 on TikTok. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. God bless.